Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection. You have to make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection, or you can use the mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. A really important thing, you have to be signed up or logged into your Google account. Basically, if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If not, you have to log in right now or sign up. And I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which will show you how to actually add the Google account to the device. After that, simply tap on the circle, which is basically your account, and tap on My Apps and Games. And for some reason something went wrong, so let me do it again. The circle, Manage Apps and Device, and we have to tap on Manage right here. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and in order to check the updates, we have to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 17 updates, which I can download. So if I want to download all of them, simply mark all. If not, you can pick only one or two apps which you want to update, and I will update maybe Google Chrome, so simply mark the app, and Messages by Google. After marking, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed, and basically the apps will be automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait. Right here you can just turn it off and do whatever you want on your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.